You go to bed at night, completely determined to follow the law diligently. You have decided on your scene, and now all that remains is to do it over and over and over until it takes on the tones of reality. You lie down. Your thoughts are like an overcrowded bus. All the chatter is getting on your nerves, but you are determined. You slow your breathing down, focus on your heartbeat, count to 100, and it's working. The thoughts are subsiding. You have reached the point where keeping your eyes closed is a sweet relief, where your mind is ready to start doing the scene. You start the act in your imagination. The first time is a bit fuzzy. So is the second, and the third, and the 10th. Ugh, you are frustrated now. You are about to give up. But then, you ask yourself to give it one more try. You really focus on your scene this time. Not by force but by will. You focus on the tiny details this time. Like the feel of the dress you want. The detailed work of the guitar you have always dreamt of having. You run your fingers over it. It's soft, and so pretty. You control your emotions, and focus on the feeling of the reality of it all. It's still not perfect, but it's better than before, isn't it? You keep on focusing on the tiny details. You don't have to worry about the rest of the scene now, because your laser-like focus on the little thing. It is an assurance of the reality of the rest of it as well. You keep repeating it, running your fingers over the beautiful artwork on the guitar. Oh my God, that pink color is so beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, it is. And you own it now. It's yours. You rest in that realization and still keep repeating it. Once more, one more time. You love repeating the scene now. It's starting to feel a little bit natural now, isn't it? Good. Keep on repeating it. And just like that, you wake up in the morning. Wait, when did you fall asleep? The last thing you remember is touching your beautiful guitar. Right. Wait, where the FCK is it? You had it last night before sleeping. Where is it now? The shock. You repeat the same scene the next night as well. Oh boy, it's becoming a bit too natural now, isn't it? It's like, I have the FK and G thing now. Do I still need to repeat it? Yeah, you do. And you keep on repeating it, and repeating it, and repeating it. The next morning, you are convinced that you own that FKNG guitar now. But it's like it is playing hide and seek with you. Oh well, never mind. That night, you fall asleep imagining the guitar again, repeating the same scene over and over again. And voila, you wake up to your boyfriend surprising you with that guitar. He has seen you FCKNG drooling over 100 times. Fun, wasn't it? So why the FCK are you overcomplicating it? Go and enjoy the reality of your desire in your imagination. And keep feeling it real until you fall asleep. Do subscribe if you like this video.